stuff on my shirt. No, get off. Hey guys. Oh, that was scary. No, okay, let me do that again. Let me do that again. What's up? No, that's horrible too. Hey guys. Ew, I look so gross. Ugh. But here we are, guys, the long-awaited room tour. I'm giving away too much. Hold on, we have to go in the hallway so you guys don't see too much of the room. But if you guys don't know, oh, this lighting. We're just gonna work with it. I'm also using my phone to vlog this, so hopefully it doesn't look too bad. But hey guys, I have moved. Oh my gosh, how am I not sit? Guys, I need to catch you guys up. Hold on. Okay, wait. Let's sit down in this cute little corner and let me catch you guys up before I give you a full room tour. As you can see, I am now in a new place. If you guys have kept up with the vlogs or like my main channel or anything like that, you guys might have known I graduated college last year. Then I moved out to my own apartment in Austin, and I lived there for a year, had my own apartment. I got a little bit bored because I had no friends or anything like that, and then things happened and now I'm here. Now I'm in LA, guys. I'm in LA girly, and to be honest, the past couple months have been very interesting. I have been just settling in, and I do want to vlog more. It's just very hard for me to vlog just because I sit at my home, I sit on my desk, and I make videos. That's all I do all day, so I will try to vlog more. I'm going to Pumpkin Patch Saturday, so hopefully I can vlog there. I'll try my best. But I'm doing the long-awaited room tour because I know a lot of you guys wanted to see my room, and I did show you guys my apartment tour in Austin. I'm not doing an apartment tour today. I'm just doing a room tour because I am living with a friend. She is my roommate and she's living in the living room technically. It's a weird situation, okay? But we have no furniture still. So she still sleeps on the air mattress, but my room is basically done. So I'm gonna show you guys my room. She's also a little messy, so don't mind that, but let's go head on inside. So here we are. This is what we see. This is gonna be the front way here. Yes, I'm wearing shoes, don't mind me. And there's Loki Poo. Loki Poo. Also, most of the toys and everything are Loki, so she's the one making the big mess. Anyways, on this side, I just have a couple of paintings from my previous apartment. We have the Millennium Falcon. I can't talk. Then I just have this that I got from Vegas with my friend. And then on this side, I just have my notebook. I've been journaling a little bit, my feelings away. And then my backpack, and then a bunch of board games, which will go in the living room once we get like furniture there, but that's there for now. And then I have my bed. I bought this fun little platform bed, which I love, but Loki's little nasty paws have been getting it dirty. I don't know if you guys, yeah, look how dirty it is because of her nasty paws. So we're just hiding that. We have Bear here, and then we have a couple of blankets. We got a burrito blanket. We have a Halloween blanket, Loki's toys, of course. And then we have some nano leaves. We'll get there in a second. Let's turn around this way. I have laundry over there, so don't look. And then up here is a big mess. I have a YouTube fridge that I got from VidCon. I have my purse. We have popcorn. A bag my mom got me. I still have the MetaQuest. If you guys don't know, I went to this Roblox convention, RDC, and they literally gave everyone a MetaQuest, and I still haven't opened it because I already have a VR. And then I have a box of Loki's toys that she keeps ripping. And then I bought this, which just has a bunch of clothes in it. This is fallen off. I cannot find the screw, but yeah, I got that from Amazon. I have the cube full of electronics, and then I have a box because Robuild and I did a collab. She's a Bloxburg YouTuber, and we did a collab, so I need to clean that up. But then up here, I have some more paintings from the previous apartment. I got this from New Orleans. Then I painted this a while ago. And yeah, so now moving on over here, I have Loki stuff. We have her blanket, we have her toys, a bed, and then some stuff on my side, which is just some Tiger Balm and some glasses. And then up here, we have the nano leaves. They're orange right now because it is Halloween time. I have a fan as well because it gets a little toasty. Then I have my plaques here. Hello. And then we have some Halloween decorations I decorated. We have pumpkin lights, some bats. And then up here, I have my 1 million plaque with the old VR, some pictures, some groove lights. And then in here, I can't really see, but they're my stuffed animals. So that's my new stuffed animal that we did not sell, sadly. And then I have a snow globe from Roblox, and then that thing from Roblox as well. And then moving on, down here, I have my VidCon tag and then the RDC tag. I have Screech from Door, some Polaroid pictures. That is from Fall Guys. We have that from Discord. I got that from Canes. We have an oof button as well, which is cute. And then down here, I just have random things. I have my Nintendo Switch. I have ACL Bands, which is a music festival. I got this from a fan at VidCon. So if you're watching, I love you. Thank you so much for that. And then we have a bunch of Roblox toys. I also have a Harry Potter keychain, Harry Potter logos, Roblox toys, all that. And then I have a bunch of my books, which I have been obsessed with right now, guys. I just finished Fourth Wing. If you read Please read Fourth Wing. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Like I'm in a book depression right now because I don't have anything to watch. I mean, read. But this is Vampire Academy, which was my first book series that I got in love with. I think I might go back to Zodiac Academy because I'm on the third book. It's like an 8-part series though, because Fourth Wing is like the Zodiac Academy. Guys, I can make like, I'm not a book reader all the way, but oh my gosh, I'm in love with the Fourth Wing and I'm gonna reread that. This is going off tangent, but I'm gonna reread Fourth Wing because the next book comes in like 3 weeks. A lot of people, this book has been out for a while. I was gonna read this in June, but then I moved, a lot of things happened. I was just not in the place to like read again. So I finally finished the book and I'm pretty close to the second book. So I'm super happy about that. So I just gotta wait 3 weeks and I can read book 2, which I'm super excited about. But back to the vlog. If you want more book depth, if you guys are into books, let me know. Maybe I can make like a book vlog. And then I have my little toaster because I can't really put it on my computer. Anyways, moving on to my setup here. Let me actually turn off some tabs I have open. Here we go. So on this side, I just have scissors because I need to open things, and then I got this from Row Builds because I was gonna do that last night, but I might do it tonight. And then my laptop here, just some desk knickknacks. I have my headphone stand. I was about to record a video, so that's why they're out, but usually go up here. My coffee for today, water, some coasters. We have you know what you call it. Also, I'm so sorry for guys. This is what happens when you have a dog. This is what happens when you have a dog. You have fur all over you. But over here, I have air to clean my computer. I have these candle thingy-bobbers to smell good. We have some ibuprofen. And then I have these little ghost dangly things. And then there's my computer. Do not look at my wires. They are bad. They are tremendous. They are horrible. Don't look at them. But here's my setup. I know a lot of you guys wanted to know about my setup. I have the Shure mic here, which I recently got. I was using an AT 2022 for the past, I don't know how long. It's a little dirty, I know, but I'm just screwing it back in. I don't know why. The screw has been having some issues. And then I got this from Roblox Razer collab. This is a Roblox Razer keyboard. As you can see, we have this mouse I've had for years. I got it on Amazon. I have no clue what it is. It was just the cheapest mouse. These are the Logitech headphones. I got them for Christmas from my mom. I really wanted them. Highly recommend. They're so good. They are $100, but they're very cute and beautiful, and I love them so much, and they last a long time. Like, they have not broken at all. They're perfect condition from like a year, which is great. Then I have a mouse pad here. I have my Focusrite for my mic, and then I have a Stream Deck here. And then I have 2 monitors, one vertical, one horizontal. I have my camera, which is a Canon Rebel T6, which is really bad. I don't recommend buying this camera. It is affordable though, but it is not the greatest camera. Like, I want to buy a new camera. And then I have the Elgato key light, just for some more light. But that's my setup. It's not that big, guys. It's not amazing or anything like that, but it's something. But there we have it, guys. That is my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you finally got what you wanted, because I know a lot of you guys have been asking for a room tour, so I hope you guys enjoyed. And sorry for my little book rant, but I am obsessed with books at the moment. I apologize. But yeah, here's a little whiplash of the room. Here it is. This is where I live. This is what I do all day long. This is where I am. And yeah, there we have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'm getting back to vlogging, guys, okay? I'm gonna try and vlog the pumpkin patch, or like just this week in general. We'll see. I might start tomorrow, because today it's already 1, guys. It's already 1. I'm gonna go record a video and literally watch TV afterwards and then stream. Literally, that's all I do, guys. I don't know what you guys want, so I will try to record more vlogs, but I don't promise you anything, guys, because I know I promise you guys things and then you guys get mad at me. So a vlog, if it comes out, it comes out. If it doesn't come out, it doesn't come out. Don't get mad at me, okay? But I hope you guys enjoy the room tour. And yeah, whenever the whole apartment's done, I will give you an apartment tour. But for now, nothing else is done out there, so I'm not showing you guys that. Okay, so you'll just have to wait. Oh, you'll just have to wait. So if you haven't already subscribed, go subscribe, leave a like, turn that notification bell on, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye!